up, everybody? How you guys doing today? Today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the new for 2024 Beetlejuice from Home Depot. Alright guys, this guy is really cool. Apparently this is some kind of like returning animatronic. But I saw that head like spinning really fast. I'm like, that guy is awesome. I never got to get the old one. I heard it was kind of problematic, and this is like the refined version. So definitely excited to get into this. And for only $200, it looks like a really good bargain. Right here we have one of his arms. Also guys, I've been wearing like the same outfit for the past like 3 videos. I've been filming a lot lately. So like within the past 24 hours. I'm not like dirty and wear the same outfit every freaking day. There's another arm. Here's some leg foam. This is a big leg foam. Dang. My arm could fit in there. Right here we have the instructions. It's pretty good quality. It's not just the regular paper that we're used to. This guy's made by Jemmy, if you guys didn't know. Right here we have an adapter, which is really small. And then in this little bag we have some of, if not all, the clothing, which is really good quality actually. Definitely does not feel like it's gonna rip. Yeah, this is all the clothing. I believe this is like the tie and all that. And then these, I believe, are the, nope. This is the shirt. And then those are like the pants and like, I guess he has overalls or something. And right here we have his head. Honestly, it looks a lot like the Joker. If I'm not lying, I mean, like, it still looks like Beetlejuice, but like, it looks a lot more like the Joker. Right here we have his base. These welds look really nice. We have another one of those big leg foams. This is hip connector and the control box. Right here we have his upper body mech with, yeah, the mechanism inside to turn his head. The hip loop. We have the shoes right here. Very, very good quality. If somebody steps on these, they'll be just fine. And finally, coming out last thing are the leg pulls. That is going to conclude the unboxing portion of this video. Now let's get to the setup. Alright guys, I got him all set up and ready to go. Let's plug him in.
I looked through the Black Plague and I had a pretty good time during that. I've seen The Exorcist about 167 times, and it keeps getting funnier every single time I see it. Not to mention the fact that you're talking to a dead guy. Now what do you think? Let's turn on the juice and see what shakes loose. Sandworms. You hate them, right? I hate them as well. What do we got here tonight, kids? Oh boy, you guys are really a couple of snootsters, aren't you? I'm the ghost with the most, babe. It's showtime. Go ahead, make my millennium. That is why I won't do 2 shows a night anymore, babe. I won't do.
Alright guys, so that was the new for 2024 Beetlejuice from Home Depot. Overall, I mean, I think he's really, really cool. His figure's a little bit like off, like he just kind of looks like an animatronic right now. Like I think maybe if you pose these right, like if you put these a little maybe more down, maybe he'd look a little better. But I mean, the legs look very filled out. This looks very filled out. It's just the arms I think I have a little problem with. But I mean, other than that, I think he looks really good. I love the head turning motion. I think that's going to get a lot of people off of surprised. I think a lot of people are going to get surprised by that. And his phrases are really funny too. I actually laughed during one of them. I mean, overall for $200, I think it's a pretty good bargain. If you want this guy, I'd say go for it. His quality seems like it's going to last. That mechanism in there seems really strong. I'm not sure if that was the problem last time. I assume that's what it was. But it seems very, very good, like it's going to last. But yeah, I will leave a link in the description if you would like to purchase this guy. And I will also leave a link to my merch store. Aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.